Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen essential, the pan scraper from Matscover. This plastic scraper isn't just any tool, it's designed to be your go-to for cleaning pots, pans, and more without the worry of scratches. Let's explore why this is considered the best in its category. The Matscover pan scraper is crafted from durable ABS plastic, ensuring it's both sturdy and safe for all your cookware. It features upgraded anti-skid lines for better grip and ergonomic handling, making it easier to tackle tough cleaning jobs effortlessly. Firstly, it comes in a convenient set of 5 pieces, so you always have one handy. The material is food grade and BPA-free, guaranteeing safety and peace of mind. You can use it in temperatures up to 215 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for cleaning hot pots and pans. The non-stick surface ensures easy cleaning without leaving any marks. Not just for scraping. This tool's sharp edges can also handle cutting dough or fruits, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen arsenal. To wrap up, the Matscover pan scraper is a standout choice for anyone looking to keep their cookware spotless without the fear of damage. Whether you're dealing with burn ton residue or simply need a reliable dough cutter, this tool has you covered. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this essential kitchen gadget. That's all for today on Product Critique. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking! Don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates.